Hey there, tech-savvy folks and accidental comedians of the internet. Welcome to this epic tutorial on a topic that is near and dear to our hearts: screen recording gone wrong. You see, I was all set to record an amazing video, but guess what happened? My trusty Nvidia Screen recording decided to hit me with the most helpful message ever. A supported game is required to use this feature. Classic, right? To fix this issue, press Windows key and search for GeForce Experience and run it. Now click on the setting icon, located on the top right corner. Press on the General tab and locate for in-game overlays, turn it off once, and turn it back on after a few seconds or two. Well, this should do. Open a game and test it out.